morning workout.
You are not gonna like it, but 2 words that you got it, and 2 minutes later.
Halo. Say ice.
Come down more on this.
No, I'd say that far side needs to come up because these two look even now.
Really?
Are you helping Dad in his fishing toolbox? I don't think you're allowed to touch that. Definitely not. Dada.
Yeah.
Hey, be nice. Be nice to Lily.
We all fall down. Fall down. Halo.
She's getting dizzy.
We all fall down. Are you crying?
Are you okay?
Hey, no. More. Ring around the rosies, pocket full of
Wow, that's
posies.
fast.
Ashes, ashes, we all fall down. Uh-oh. Whoa.
Sit on your bum. Whoa.
Oh, or fall. She's dizzy. Are you dizzy?
That bathing suit is so cute.
Okay, hold on.
It's called a ruffle bum. Oh, it's a little colder today than normal.
If you blame me, and never stop
She should be in gymnastics.
There we go, yeah. You gotta kick. Kick your feet.
Make her count to 3.
Ready? We're gonna count. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Look, she instantly turns around.
Yay!
I wish you could get her face.
I'll go over there.
Ready? 2, 3.
Oh my gosh. Get the doll out of it. Oh, hold on. When I'm with you, I like it. It's my thoughts.
I started playing with the fish earlier.
We got a book. They're not gonna let anyone read you?
Pat, you reading? Sweet. She like comes and acts like she's gonna come in and boom, right by me.
Where's the kitty?
Good morning. I look like this because I got a solid 2.5 hours of sleep last night. You know what, maybe 3. I think I did snooze off a little bit, but regardless, I got no sleep last night. We went to bed at like 1, which, who am I? I'm such a morning person. I'm not a night person at all. And we had friends over last night and we stayed up playing games, and I'm hurting this morning. Like, I don't even drink, but I feel like I have a hangover because I'm so tired. But we're up, we're at it. I'm gonna go to the gym, get a workout in real quick, and then we're also going to possibly, I can't even believe I'm saying this, I can't believe these words are coming out of my mouth right now, but possibly doing a cryotherapy session after my workout. I'm stopped at the gas station. I need to go in and grab some energy drinks because I'm going to die during my workout if I don't get some caffeine in me, because I'm so tired. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Can you turn it up a little bit? Take it! Ow! Yay!
That's a long feet.
Yeah. Austin still has never stopped agitating.
I'm not agitating.
So you just hit your head.
Look at her throwing plates. Oh my child would never.
Dude, that was a rough breakfast. Well, welcome to Staycation Vlog 1. I'm gonna vlog all week. We just got here in this little staycation home. It's on Lake Pleasant in Arizona, so I'll show you guys what the whole deal looks like when you walk in. Okay, so you walk in, focus, mirror right there, and then up there's a little loft area, and there's two bedrooms, or two beds up there. And then this is gonna be FDD and J. Clay's room. They have bathroom and shower. And then our room's the exact same, it's just flip-flopped, but look how cute it's decorated. It's giving like coastal grandmother Cape Cod vibes. So that's the first room. The other room is the exact same on this side. This is where me and Sam are gonna stay. Bathroom, shower, and then our bedroom. Cute. Then you walk out and we have high ceilings with the ceiling fan. It feels so good in here too. I love. Halo's watching Miss Rachel, eating some snacks. These are cute little chairs, couch, windows. I love the ceilings and the roof here. I will. And then these doors, when you open them, make that sound. So you don't have to worry about baby getting out, but out here is like an outdoor grill, a sitting area. There's Oss and J. Clay. J. Clay's jet ski time. And then we just have like water access right there. This whole thing can turn into some big bed also for the nighttime. TV. We have Halo's playpen right there, but we're probably gonna put it upstairs to Austin. And then we're starting to unpack, so it's still kind of a mess. They're out there on the boat. The jet ski's getting everything fixed up. And then there's some bar stools here, and then our kitchen area. And we stocked the fridge. And then there's like a little pantry storage area too. Some more food, pots and pans. That's like linens and all that kind of stuff. Okay, and then this goes upstairs. Two cute little beds. You better stay down there. I gotta get a little gate or something to block her off. But it wraps around like this. Hi. But look at this. So cute, I'm obsessed. Oh, I gotta give this to Halo, she's gonna love this. Halo, look what Mama got. Crazy! Give it a hug. Oh, yay! But we are just thriving. Oh, I am so hot and sweaty. I don't know where I put my drink. What's up, guys? So I'm out laying on the deck. Sam's out fishing, and my dad and my brother are watching fights, and then my mom's with Halo, but we're just gonna chill for a little bit and then make some dinner. I think we're having burgers tonight, and I don't like red meat, so my dad got me some salmon burgers. We're gonna have that for dinner. Just had some fruit with tahini, a little snack, some Old Bay goldfish. Those hit. Baby! Well done! Not even a bite? Really? Surprising.
Before you hit him on 1-2, you see again. The action from Almeida in the
And there's not that much out there to see. So
ready
we'll see
to
what
eat?
improvements he's made.
Kickboxing fight.
Do I eat?
Was that the game plan to come up?
Are you redecorating the place? Where did you find this? You have to pick one of the floaty ones though, so. Go pick one. Avocados! All right, come on. Do you hear the duckies? Duckies! Ma'am? Remove yourself. What? You're leaving me? Hey, watch your fingers. Bye-bye. Let's go. Let's go. Good job. Can we sit for a couple seconds and wait for Dada? We're about to go swimming. I got on my youth life vest so it doesn't even button, but we're just gonna go right off the dock here. My dad got Halo all these little swimsuits and they have these built-in life vest things. These are seriously the best invention. She has like a cute little leopard one, a heart one, avocados, some pink ones. Whoa! Okay, can you jump in?
Come on, come on.
1, 2, 3. Oh shit. 1, 2, 3.
You wake up my soul today. I feel the hope when your sun shines on my face. Oh, I wake up with your grace while the moonlight's still fading away. I see your mercy come.
Oh my God! Morning workout. Get all the way up. What are you doing?
Boxing push-ups.
Box push-ups?
Boxing. We just stay in the tension area.
What?
Right here. No breaks.
Oh, dang. Halo. Halo, can you go do push-up? Like Buddy?
Show
Okay.
your muscles.
Can you do a push-up? When I work out at home, she copies what I do. You want eggies?
Hey Arnold, Rugrats.
I haven't watched those in forever. You want toast in?
Yeah.
1, 2.
Just one.
Rugrats! Hello! This is so nostalgic. Go down to the marina to get some bait, and Mama's gonna fish and show Dada how it's done. There's all these water boat or water homes, huge yachts. Huh? On the water. I love this. Like, I know that's obviously a mega boat, but look at this one. I would love that one to lay out on the front. This is a houseboat. It's huge. Crawlers.
Night crawlers.
Liver, shrimp, mackerel. Hi. What are you doing? Come on. Pineapple? snapping. And we're playing. He ate the carrot. Say thanks, Uncle Buddy. All right, we are leaving our daughter with her uncle. You better be good girl. I think she might be ready for night.
Want to take a nap?
Play,
You want Bubba
play, Bubba night, okay? Okay, can I have a kiss? No? Okay. Bye.
No.
Oh, she looks so cute. Good luck.
Bye-bye, baby. Be good. Be good. Be
Say,
good.
turn on some cartoons.
The two